If you have a 2020 to 2022 Super Duty, our all-new Morimoto XB Hybrid headlights are for you. The XB Hybrid share many of the same core components developed for the top-of-the-line series from Morimoto, without some of the features that make them considerably more expensive. That said, the Super Duty Hybrid LED headlights are hardly a compromise. True reflector optics for the DRL, killer light output, good looks, all wrapped up inside of an OEM grade housing, backed with a solid 5-year warranty. Compared to the more expensive Morimoto XBs, these use 2 projectors instead of 4. When it comes to light output, these Super Duty headlights surely will not disappoint. The hybrids have a powerful, wide, and bright LED low beam projector and a dedicated LED high beam projector too. Their optics were specially developed just last year specifically for the use in the hybrid lineup to produce an amazing beam pattern despite the affordable price point. Their dual LED projector optics meet and exceed all SAE, DOT, FVMS, SS 108 regulations. The major difference between the new hybrid headlight and old hybrid headlight is that you no longer use the original incandescent turn signal. It now comes standard with sequential LED turn signals. The original hybrid has a gunmetal gray interior and the new hybrid has a piano black interior. When it comes to wiring, it doesn't get much easier than this. The hybrid headlights are designed to work on your Super Duty without any modifications. They will plug into the factory connector for stock headlights and will work seamlessly without any issue at all. Let's show you how to do the install. First, remove the 14 plastic clips holding the grille cover. Then remove the cover off the truck. Remove the 6 10mm bolts holding the top of the grille. Remove 1 10mm nut holding the grille to the headlight. Repeat on the other side of the grille. Take a pry tool and pry this flap towards the middle of the grille. Remove these 2 10mm bolts that secure the bottom of the grille. With the grille angled forward, take a flat screwdriver and press these 4 metal clips down to release the bottom of the grille. Now you can remove the grille off the truck. Remove the 1 13mm bolt holding the bottom tab of the headlight to the fender. Remove 2 10mm bolts holding the top of the headlight. Pry up on this tab to release the top of the headlight. Unplug the 4 connectors. To do so, press the release tab and pull the connector off. Locate the under the hood fuse box located by the firewall on the passenger side of the truck and remove the cover. Locate and remove fuse 16. Located in the included DRL harness, plug in the fuse side of the harness into fuse slot number 16. Run the short side of the harness to the passenger side headlight and run the long side to the driver side headlight. Now grab your hybrid headlight and make these 4 wiring connections. Place the headlight in its place on the truck and thread the bolts in. Turn the truck on and test all functions to make sure everything works. Reassemble the truck in the reverse order that you took it apart. And that's all it takes to get the 2020 through 2022 XB Hybrid headlights installed on your Super Duty. Now you've got a complete LED headlight at a fraction of the price. We've worked extensively on the Super Duty to create the best lighting products from front to back. Check out all the things we make for your Super Duty. Our fog lights, our tail lights, our third brake lights, our off-road LED pod lights. Type in your year, make, and model at morimotolighting.com.